Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our hair, but I'm actually showing you guys the finished product first so you know what we're about to get into. So this is how we're beginning. I still have this braid down in from when I did my quick weave. So we're just reusing the base. And all I'm doing here is parting my leave out in the shape of a V because it's like a U shape. And our wig today is actually a Vpart wig from Junoda hair. So we have to like fix it up for that. And also I am so congested, so I'm sorry because I definitely sound like I'm congested, but this is the wig. Here is the packaging. I'm just showing you everything that comes inside the package as well as the wig. I have a 22-inch Kinky straight V-part wig. It is 150% density. This wig is pretty full. I am going to curl it today. I'm going to do some wand curls because I feel like I haven't done wand curls in so long, and wand curls on like Kinky straight hair just gives a different vibe, and like the older it gets, the better it gets. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna stop talking because I can barely breathe, but just keep watching. All right. That is the last curl. I also want to mention the back to school sale they're having. All the information is on the screen. You can pause it, rewind it to look at it, take a picture of that QR code. All I did was spray a little oil sheen on my hair. I love this. This hair is so soft, you guys. And yeah, so I'll be sure to list all of the information for Junoda's hair in the description box, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing, as well as my 15% off discount code. If you're interested, it is Lakia, but that'll be listed down below as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in my next one. Hopefully I'm not all stuffy and congested. But yeah, love you guys. Bye.